Good morning, everyone. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Time check 4:14. Ayan, na-late ako ng labas. Kasi, maliwanag na. And our weather for today is 17. Hindi malamig. So, today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. 13th of Friday the 13th. Today of June. So, ayun, may racket tayo. May racket tayo ngayong Friday again. And see you when I see you. Start walking in 15 minutes and 1 bus. So, tara muna everyone. Maglakad-lakad at mayroong mga pangyayaring kailangan i-update. So, see you when I see you, everyone. Kain tayo. Almusal. Si Tita pa hindi na nagbe-breakfast. Ha? Uulan. Everyone, kung kayo may apple, kami may saging. Ubian time. Tapos na ang racket namin. At sa time check is 2:34. Maaga kami natapos kasi maaga kami nag-umpisa. So, see you later after 2 train. Ay, 1 train lang pala. Sorry. Bye! See you at Tower Hill, everyone. Everyone, crepes again kami. Dito sa mainit na panahon ng London Bridge. So, ayun lang everyone. Bye-bye and eating tayo. Time check everyone. After ng crepes, 15:56. So, we have 30 minutes more. Dito kami. Waiting for the right time. Yan. At super init po sa labas. Degrees, 28 degrees. Grabe, diba? So, ang estudyante, thank God it's Friday. So, dito muna kami. Taas ang paa. Eat everyone. Yung isa dyan, inaantok daw, pero cellphone naman. Puno ang train. Friday night.
Station is Finchley Road. Change here for the Metropolitan line. Please mind the gap between the...
Good evening, everyone. Nearly at home. Pagoda ang lahat sa akin ay masakit. Buong katawan. Lahat. So, pagdating ko, magda-diaper ko pala. Everyone, see you later. Dinner. Parang gusto ko na lang matulog. See you when I see you.